Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 22nd, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research, make your own decisions. So Tesla closed up just a little bit, closed up 2.88. So $2.88, 0.46%. Post-market, we seem to be down 45 cents. So looking at the chart, so we see that Tesla is really hugging this resistance at 624. Look at this. Again today, the body of the candle is touching 624 like yesterday, like the day before. Today, of course, the 624 was a lot closer. We are having a higher low than yesterday and a lower high. So the stock is really coiling itself under this resistance. It's not going back. It's not going back down to the support here. You know, it could be going back down and doing this, but the stock is strong enough that it's staying stuck to the resistance. So I can't help but believe that any day now it's gonna break 624. I cannot help but thinking that. Let's look at the 1 hour chart to see what happened. So okay, 9:30 is here. Okay, well. So 9:30 we touched this support here. So this support that I drew here, this is an intraday support. So we see that basically the stock is really bouncing on that support, and we bounced today. So each time you bounce on a trend line, either a resistance or a support, you are confirming that the stock is behaving accordingly to that trend line. So we bounced on it at 9:30, and we bounced on it also at 10:30, and then we went. What is this price here? So we went over 624 during the day, went under, over, under. This is really like a zigzag. And also, I can draw this on the intraday chart. You know, we are having a little bit of a resistance here. Look at this, a declining resistance. And this is coinciding with this support here. So really, we also have a symmetrical triangle right there. So the stock is getting squeezed between these two trend lines, and it's gonna explode at some point. I hope it's gonna explode, but it's gonna have to do something at some point. So this resistance, I'm only going to put it on the hourly chart. So in terms of the visibility, I will remove it from the day chart. Let's go back to the daily chart. Let's look at the indicators. Okay, stochastic. I like to see this. Stochastic is at 81.54, so it broke over 80. So that's always a good sign. MACD getting closer to becoming positive, and look at the DMI. Look at it. Look at the DMI. We have the red line at 22,154, and we have the green line at 21,173. So they are getting so much closer. They are going to cross over anytime soon. So we just need to be patient. What can I say? I think something is going to happen at some point. So and at this point is going to be quite soon, in my opinion. It's still possible. It's still possible that the move that we see from Tesla is still possible that the move gets stopped by this big resistance here, and that we do something like this. But what is of what is a notable thing is that we have been under this line for a long time, since May 11th. We have been under that line. So the longer you have a stock under a specific horizontal resistance, the longer, the bigger the move will be. So if you have a move that is lasting 3 months, then you can take this length and put it like this, and it's going to tell you what will be the extent of the move. So we might be looking at a good move eventually. At least this is what the stock is telling me. So let's just be patient. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I produce a Tesla and Palantir video every single day, and a Bitcoin video from time to time. Thank you for liking, clicking on the bell. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments. We have a Patreon account. We have a TradingView affiliate link. And we also have a Discord server that's completely free if you want to discuss with like-minded people. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.